Welcome back, children. Yes, today we will discuss about the topic that is pattern. So this is the last session and also this is the last lesson of your third standard. Yes, so students, so we see this lesson. So already you learned the division form of addition and division form of subtraction, pictorial form, and also you learn like they can be given here like these boxes with the suitable numbers we will be fill here. Yes, so these all you will be learned in a before class. Yes, today in this class we will learn that is different patterns around us according to shape, color and size. Different patterns around us according to shape, color and size. Yes. Okay, so observe these patterns of different designs they can be given here. See here some of the designs they can given here. This is the circle. Yes, this is the rectangle. So it's a flower. So it's a square and it's also flower. So it's also square in a different shape. Yes, so both are same. These are also square, these are also square, but in a different shape. Yes, we can see the different pattern of different designing. These all are tiles. So it means in our surroundings we can see the different types of things. So all the things are not same. So I'll show you, this is one type of thing. Yes, this is a duster, this is one type of thing, and I'll show a box, this is also one type of thing, and I'll show a chalk, so this is also one type of thing, but all the things having a different size, shape and also color. Yes, like here they can be given here. So these all are the tiles. Yes, these four all are the tiles, but all are looking same. All are looking same? No, but all are not same. Looking all are not same. So it means each and every that object is having different shape. Okay, next. So observe the designs of the house roofs. Yes, see here students, if in your house having like these roofs, so you can see that roofs, so they depend, it means different upon the your so what's your friend's house roofs and yours house roofs. See here, so these all are we can call as a black colored roofs. Yes, these all are black colored, but here see that is a red color roofs. See here, both the roofs are different, no? Both the roofs are different here. Yes, so some of the houses having terrace. Yes, so that's made up of that is cement. So using they can be cement. So here see these roofs are different, but both are houses only, but roofs are different. Yes, design of roofs are different. Next, observe the different designs of the windows. See, this is a window. In your house window and in your friend's house window, you can observe your house window is different from your friend's house windows. Yes, so here see, so this is a house window, this is also house window. So each, it means two are same? No. So two are not same. So this is also different, this is also different. Yes, so we can observing the windows also having a different designs. Okay, next, here they can be given here cloth. You know that is a different colored cloth we will wear. You know that is, so that is a colored cloth. So here they can be given here. Observe the different patterns on the cloth. See, this is also different design, this is also different design. Always I see, so it means so this is also different what design. Yes, so we can see the colored pattern. So what it is, these types of, it means cloth having a different colored pattern. Yes, so next one, that is observe the different patterns find in your surroundings. In your surroundings means we can observing it may be a bench, stool, then scale, leaves, yes, fruits. Yes, all we can be see that is a different colored and a different shape. Yes, they can given here leaves. So these leaves are having, see, this is a like little bit length is there, okay, so pointed is there in the leaf. But here see in the grapes leaves how it is, some of the leaves are having like, so some of the leaves are having like this. Yes, so this is one type of leaves, and so I will draw it. This is one type of leaf, this is one type of leaf, and another one type of leaves. So this is another one type of leaves, you know that is. So these all are having a different types of leaves, but color is looking same, green only, but shape is different shape. Yes, so you can see the different types of shapes. Yes, so you can see here they can be given here toran. Yes, which of the leaves we are using to make a toran? Yes, that is a mango leaves. Yes, so in festivals we will be put on the what? Door. So here, so we are using this toran. And hills see looking as how it is greenery. Yes, so we can see these all are colored is same, but size is different. It means what? Shape is different. Yes, so observe the pattern based on color pattern. Colors we can observing, what we can observing here? Colors of patterns. Here see, so it is orange, blue and red. It is yellow, then blue and orange. You can see the colored pattern, different colored having this pattern. This is a square. Yes, all these are square but having a different color. And here see, these all are circles. Yes, same size but having colored is different. So here green is there, here green is there, here see purple. So it means so different colored, here pale green. Yes, so we can say observing. So these all are having a different color, but because we will see in this question only we are seeing here what? Colors. Yes, so only colors. Next one they can given here, observe the patterns based on the size. So observe this pattern based on the size. How we will be observing these patterns? These patterns having, see, this is one of the big circle, next one is little bit small, next one is little bit small, next one is small. So we can observe all the circles are same, all the circles are same? No. So each and every circle having a different shapes. Yes, I'll give this color circles. Yes, okay. These all are having the colored, but color is same but shape is differ from each. Yes, okay. So next one they can given here same as it is triangle. See, this is one of the triangle and this is next one triangle and this is next triangle. See, observe all the triangles are same in size. Yes, looking same all the triangles? No. Yes, so it is a very small, so little bit it's big compared to this. So compared to this one it's little bit big, small, small. Yes, so we can observing these are having different shape but color is same. Yes, we can understanding different shape and having color same. Yes, so see above all these, knowing this one, so we can see the exercise 12.4. Yes, we can see the exercise 12.4. Exercise 12.4. Yes, so we can see the exercise 12.4. The first question they can given here. So there are 4 different types of tiles they can be given here. Yes, so here is different, here is different, here is different. It means here is different. So all the 4 are having different designed tiles. Yes, they can given here question, how many patterns of tiles are there? Yes, tell me how many patterns of tiles are there in there? There are 4 patterns, 4 patterns of tiles. Yes, there are 4 patterns of tiles. How many patterns of tiles are there? There are 4 patterns of tiles are there. Yes. Next question, that is they can given here. Second one, that is they can given here roofs. Yes. So here see they can given here roofs. See here is different roof having the house. Here is also different having the roof having house. Here also having different. See color also having different. Yes. So totally these houses is looking same, but roofs only changes. Yes. Roof design is changing. See how many types of roof tiles are there? Yes. Second one question. How many types of roof tiles are there? There are 3 types of roof. Yes, how many types roofs of tiles? There are 3 types of roof of tiles. Yes, so we can see here the what it is types of roofs. Okay, next one they can given here. Third question, using these pattern draw or make 2 different pattern using these shapes. So using these shapes we are using 2 different patterns. So like it is small they can given here, big shape we will be draw here like this. Yes, and here they can given here like this. Yes, using these all as it is we will be draw like this shape. Yes, using a different shapes. Yes, okay. Next one, create a pattern by coloring the pictures given below. Yes, so we can color these pictures. Yes, we'll give the color no. Yes, we can give the color of the pictures. Yes, create a pattern by coloring the pictures. Any color we will be fill here. I'll give this color to all in one pictures. Okay, it means all 4 designs, and I'll give another one pattern to all 4 design. Yes, like. Yes, we'll give the color. Yes, like we will be give the color different patterns. Yes, next one, use the following shapes and draw a patterns indicated below. Yes, they can be given here. We will use these patterns, we will be draw here. See, they can given here. There are 1 2 3, there are 10 types of patterns there are. Yes, types of patterns. So it means types of pattern looking as it is 3, but shapes and size are different. Yes, one that can be given here like this shape, and next like this circle, small size, it can be same pattern, small size, circle also small, and here big circle, and little bit it is then big triangle, it is very small triangle. Yes, okay, you can see observing these all the patterns, there are 9 are there. So shapes and draw the pattern indicated. Yes, so these all are having pink color. What color? Pink, green color, then these all circles having blue color. Okay, so yes, I'll give the color of these. Okay, pink it's not there, I'll using this color. 1 2 Yes, like this one also. 3. So blue color, circle. I'll give the color. Circle color is blue. Next, that is green color. The triangles having green color. Okay, yes. So these colors, they are indicated here. Those all. Draw the pattern of different shapes. Different shape pattern. Here one is different shape. First we'll draw. That is first question. And here is another one different shape. And here is another one different shape. We'll draw the different. First question it is draw a pattern of different shapes. I'll draw here different shape of pattern. Draw patterns of different color. Different color means here which color is there here? So I'll draw that is small. This is also different color. This is also different color and this is also different color. Yes. Okay. So these size shapes also different and color also having different because here see. So here they can given here red, blue and green color. Yes. So we are using these 3 different colors and draw patterns of different shapes and color. So shapes and color means I'll draw use this one and shapes here this one different shapes and circle is different shape and color different color and different shape. Yes. So here different colors. So little bit it's a triangle big, circle big. See different color and different shape diagrams. Okay. Okay. So make a pattern using picture of the things present in your surroundings. Yes students, so you do yourselves in this work that is they can given here. Make a patterns using the pictures. So of the things what they can given here using surrounding things whatever you can collect a leaf, collect you can see the scale and chalk, duster, yes box, whatever our notebook or as a textbook shape and size. Yes we can see the all the sizes. It means whatever you can see in your surroundings that things you can take and make patterns. Yes using the pictures. Okay. Yes they can given here students. Next one number patterns in a multiplication table. Number patterns in multiplication table. Number patterns in a multiplication table. Yes. So multiplication table from here first I'll write here number 1 to 10. See multiplication table from here 1 to 10 is okay, but I'll write here first numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 11 12 13 14 15 16 like we can be going on the row wise will be start from this lesson. Row will go. Okay, so here see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes. Okay, so next one we'll see here 2. Yes, so next one which number it comes here? Yes, so here 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, tables. Okay, next one here I'll write 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, next 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Like we can be going as here, see, like on the row wise also it can be comes here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 next see will once we will show you 3 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, yes, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Yes, we can observing see here students. First this is a 1 from 1 1s are to 10. Okay, second line here see 2 1s are to 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, yes, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Yes, so this is a row column. Yes, so here see in this is a row, this is a column. Here see 1 1s are table is there. Yeah, next it comes as here same 2 1s are tables like row and column. What we can see in this here? We can see the table row. Yes, so we can see in the row also we can see the tables, and in column also we can see the tables. So this is a multiplication table. Okay, in vertical lines and also row. Yes, so all these, see, all these things will be completely, it means you will be complete this table chart you can find out here, and we can see. So from vertical section also we can see the tables, and the row also we can see the tables. Okay, yes, so all these things will be see the exercise, that is 12.5 exercise 12.5. Okay, so here they can be given here different pattern obtained from the multiplication table. Yes, multiplication table, different pattern obtaining. Here see, first one that can be given here question 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it means up to 5 they can given here. So this is fill in the blanks. Okay, so we can understanding here this number pattern is obtained by adding 1 to the previous number, Yes, so how we can be finding 1 to the previous number? Means here see 1 is there, so here one number is increasing, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So one number is increasing, so we can observe this one here. This number pattern is obtained by adding 1 to the previous number. Here see this number. Okay, so we add the previous number to 1 here, so it will become as 2. So 3 is there. Okay, so this previous number we will add here. Previous number is how much they can given here? 2. We'll add 1 2. Yes, so it can get 3. So we add previous number to 1, we can get a next number answer. Okay, yes. Next one they can given here second one 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16. So these three are fill in the blanks. So in this number pattern, is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. Yes, we can observing here in this pattern we added 2 number. 2 is there here 4 is there. So here 4 will be added to previous number to this previous number. We add 2 to this one, we can get answer 4. So like also we can observing this is a multiplication. Here see this is a table 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, to 9s are 18, to 10s are 20. Like 2 numbers it can be increasing. Yes. Okay. So they can given here. Next one, that is third one. Third one, same table. What? 3, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, like it can be going on. Yes, these three are fill in blanks. So, it is obtained by adding 3 number to the previous number. How much number is difference from 3 to 6? 3 number, no? So, this previous number we add to 3, we can get a next number, that is 6. So this previous number 6, we add to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, we can get a next number. Yes, so this is the table of third. We can be studying now, that is the multiplication form. Okay, yes. So next they can be given here, that is fourth one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Yes, we can see this table. Which table this is? 5. Yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Yes, so this is the table of 5. We can see the how much number is the differ from here. So we add, it means here in this number pattern we are adding 5 to the previous number. So we can get next number. This previous number 5 is there. We add to 5 this previous number, we can get the next number. Again this 10, this is a previous number. We add to 5 this previous number, we can get 15. Yes. So this is in this number pattern, we adding 5 to the previous number. Understood? So 5, the number is increasing in this line. Next one, that is another one is there. So we can be studying, that is fifth one, we'll see, that is a different pattern is this. See, different question, that is how we will be adding. See, they can given you 8 ones are table. Yes, so that is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, then next 64, then next 72, 80, next 80 will add 8, 88, 96. Yes, so we can be see the like this. So here adding the digits in a number till we get a single digit. Understood? So we are adding to a digit in a number till we can get a single digit. Yes, we'll start here 8. Okay, here 1 is there, 16 means here 1 plus 6. Here 24, 2 plus 4. Single digit we want to know. Okay, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 0, next 8 plus 8. So like we will be do. Next, so here 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 5 plus 6, 11, 6 plus 4, 10, then next 7 plus 2, 9, okay, this 7 plus 2, 9, then next 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, okay. See, we can take and we adding these, we can get single digit number. Yes, 6, 16 we can take 16, 1 plus 6 we are dividing here. So because we need a single digit, 1 plus 6 means here 7. Okay, so next again here two digits are there. Again we will be split that. 1 plus 2 is 12 is there? No. Here 1 plus 2. 11 is there? No. 1 plus 1. 10. 1 plus 0. 9 as it is. 8 as it is. 16 is there? No. Here what will write? 1 plus 6. Yes. Okay. Again we'll see. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 2 plus 1. 3. 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 0. 1. 9, 8. 1 plus 6. 7. Yes, see, all the numbers we can get all see single digit. Yes, we can get all single digit. Understood now how to do this one, single digit? So here they can be given here 2 digit numbers. So we will add these 2 digit number. So while adding of this one we can get answer. So all the single digit. Yes, understood this means? So it means types of number formed 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7. Okay? Okay. So next continue. You can be continue in this question. Okay. Next one, another one question they can be given here. That is 6th one. Sixth one, 9, 18, 27. This is a 9 table. Yes, 45, 54, then 63. Yes, so we can be see here. So continuation, you can be continue that 9 table. Okay, here see first 9, 18 is there? No, here 1 plus 8. I'll write 27, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3. Okay. Okay, remaining 2 I'll write here table. Then 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1. How we will be right? Okay. Next 9, 8 plus 1, 9. See, we can observing in the 9 table, all we can be digits, we can get number 9 only. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. Yes, 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Even 90 also we can get. See, 9 plus 0. Yes, so here 9 plus 0 means 9. Yes, see, all the digits we can get the number 9. Yes, this pattern from number 9. Understood this one? Okay. See here, that is they can given here exercise 12.6. Okay, in this exercise 12.6. That can given here complete the number pattern, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yes, we'll write here 18. So table none means 3 tables, third table. Okay, 3 ones are table. Next 21, 24, 27. Yes, we can be filled here. So how much number is increasing here? 3 number. Yes, so we added the 3 number to the previous number. We can get a next number. Okay, next one, that is 40, 36, 32, then 28, 24, 20, 16, 12. Yes, so here we can see the table finding. Which table this is? See which table it is? 40, 36. 4 ones are table. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Yes, so it comes here backward direction. Yes, so like it can be going on like it comes here backward direction. Yes, 4 ones are continuously will be right. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Yes, 8, 4. We can see now that is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Yes, we can see the table. So how many numbers is adding to the previous number here? 4 number. Yes, okay. Next, third one. 5 table, this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Next 40, 45. Yes, so here 24 is the like fill in the blanks. So here these three are fill in the blanks. Okay, 5 to next continue up to 5 tens are 50. Yes, okay. So 5 number is here what? Adding to the previous number. Next 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24. Yes. So how much number is here adding here? Table 6. Table 6 this is okay, backward directions will become. So how much number is adding to the previous number here? 6 number. Okay. So it will become like that is a backward. Next 100, 90, 80, then 70, 60, 50, 40, 20, 10. Yes, so we can see the difference. Sorry, we can see the number pattern here. So from 100 to 90, how much is number here adding to the previous number here? 10. Number 90, so it's a backward direction. Okay, so 10 to 100 backward direction. Okay, understood? 10 number is adding to the next number. Okay, so next one they can given here, that is second main. Write the number pattern obtained by multiplication table 9. See, find out the formation of number pattern obtained by multiplication table 9. So you can be write the table 9, multiplication table 9, you can be find out the number pattern. So like we will be right now same as it is number pattern 9. You will be find out the number pattern, how many numbers are adding to the previous number. Yes, so okay students, I hope you understood this lesson. Totally your third standard maths is completed. First part and also second part, totally the third standard maths is completed. So I hope you understood all the chapters. Thank you for watching.